atmospheric edge.
Perseverance has now slowed to subsonic speeds and the heat shield has been separated.
We're getting signals from MRO.
Hi, my name is Becca and welcome to Operation Explorations. NASA's Curiosity Mars rover, which has been exploring the planet since it landed in 2012, has a twin named Maggie. Mars automated giant gizmo for integrated engineering. Maggie has been helping the Curiosity team particularly with strategies for driving across the challenging terrain and drilling rocks. The Perseverance rover's astrobiology mission, which searches for life on the ancient microbial life, it will also characterize the planet's climate and geology, paving the way for human exploration of the red planet, and be the first planetary mission to collect and catch Martian rocks and regoliths, which are broken rocks and dust. Subsequently, missions currently under consideration by NASA and corporations with the European Space Agency would send spacecraft to Mars to collect and catch samples for these surfaces and return them to the Earth for in-depth analysis. The full-scale engineered model of NASA's Perseverance rover has put some dirt on its wheels. The vehicle system test bed, which is VSTB rover, moved into its home and garage facing the Mars yard at NASA's Propulsion Jet Laboratory in Southern California on September 4, 2020. It drove and simulated Martian surfaces for the Mars yard, a drift field that JPL studied with rocks and obstacles for the first time on September 8th. VSTB rover is also known as the Optimism. The Mars yard test area is 66 meters by 36 meters in size and has a variety of terrain arrangements to support multiple test conditions. The soil is a combination of beach sand, decomposited granite, brick dust, and volcanic cinder. The rocks are several types of basalts, including fine-grained and vesicular, both in red and black. Rock size distributions are selected to match those seen on Mars. Large rocks are not Mars-like in composition, being less dense but easier to move for testing. In addition to rearranging rocks and other obstacles, such as bricks and trenches, they're often employed for specialized testing. Adjacent to the outdoor test area, which you see here, a new building for housing research, computers, measuring equipment, and storage area for the vehicles. Above the test area is a viewing platform for visitors where activities may be watched without interference. Artemis lunar exploration plans are 2024 through 2028, and it was made possible because of the rovers. Mars 2020 launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida as early as July 2020. It landed at Jezero Crater in February 18, 2021. JPL is building and will manage operations for Mars 2020 rovers for NASA. NASA's Launch Service Program, based at the agency's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, is responsible for launch management. Mars 2020 is part of a large program that includes missions to the Moon as a way to prepare for human exploration of the red planet. Charged with returning astronauts to the Moon by 2025, NASA will establish and sustain human presence on and around the Moon by 2028 through NASA's Artemis Lunar Exploration Plan. Thank you, Jane Marcotte, for your information from JPL and on Maggie. If you like this program, click like. Please share this video. Thank you, Becca signing off.